Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. If you want to connect device to Strava, then you just have to follow the steps. First thing first, make sure that you have already installed the application, logged in, and then you're taken to and when you're logged into your account, that will take you to the home page, which will look something like this. After which, what you want to do is you could now this interface depends on the device that you're using, so you might also find the gear icon in the top right page of your screen from the home page or the main page as well. If not, you could go to the profile section and then you want to go to the gear icon from the top right hand side corner. Once you go to the gear icon or the settings page, you could see there is a section as connect an app or a device. Upload directly to Strava with almost any fitness app or device. Press that and you want to select what device that you want to connect, and I'm going to go with the one connect Garmin. Once you've done it, so you'll be taken to their official page. Now you want to go ahead and sign in from the web browser, so enter in the credential and then you'll have some prompt to fill out in the next section, and then you have successfully connected a device on the Strava. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.